It's pretty exciting to go to work every day and make one of the most beautiful boats in the world. When a person buys a Cobalt, why our Cobalt dealers and the Cobalt organization feels like they become part of our family. That's what you can do when you're a fairly small company that focuses on just building a few boats. This business still relies on individual craftsmen with tape measures. These are craftsmen that we rely on to make decisions every day, to place hardware and to install engines, and the end result is the summation of all of these people's efforts and abilities. All of the different segments of our company have such special people in them that have been doing it for 15, 20, and 30 years. To me, they are just some of the best craftsmen in the world. Cobalt is an example of a company that can go through a lot of growth, through a lot of ups and downs in the industry and in the economy, but we have never lost that spirit. A consistent passion, a consistent desire to be the very best. We certainly want to make it. It's not buying and selling, but it's getting your next Cobalt is your best day.